Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Now today I want to talk to you about a feature that Samsung stole from Pixel and I absolutely love it. This feature is called Bixby Text to Call. So if you've used the Pixel phone before, you know that they have a feature called call screening where when you get a phone call, you can get your smart assistant to answer the call for you and screen it so you can find out whether it's just a spam call or if it's actually important and you need to answer. Well, now you can do that on the Samsung phone as well, and here's how you set it up. So first, open up your phone application and then tap on these three dots and go into settings, and right here you'll see Bixby Text Call. So go into here and make sure that you enable it because it is disabled by default and you do need to set this up. So when you enable it, what you can do next is go down to your languages and voice and just select the voice that you want to answer your calls. So I've selected this voice.
Choose the Hi, I'm Bixby.
But you also get an option from all of these other ones, but I like this one the most.
Choose the voice.
So I'm going to leave it as that is. And next, all you need to do is set up your quick responses. So if you go into here, you'll actually have 4 responses in here by default, but you can actually create your own quick responses. And I thought it would be a lot of fun to mess with any scammers or spam callers by rickrolling them. So you can see I created a response in here that will rickroll them by playing the verse of Never Give You Up. And I was actually surprised that Samsung allows you to fit this much text in here. You can see I have the whole chorus in here. So now when I select this response, it's going to rickroll any spam callers or scammers. You can of course create your own quick responses, so you can go through here and create whichever ones you want. So go ahead and set up any responses you want to create, but that's pretty much everything you need to do. This feature is now enabled and usable, so I'm going to show you exactly how it works. All right, so now I'm just going to give myself a call, and on your phone you're going to see a new option here that says Bixby Text to Call. So tap on this and then swipe this, and now you see that there's an automated response. So if I put the speaker on this,
Respond to you. If you want to continue, say who you are and why you're calling.
Hi, I'm looking for Alex. So you can see that the reply got typed in here and it's actually listening to me speak and is doing actually a really good job of transcribing this text to this voice to text. But now what I can do is select any response from here. So I'll say maybe, is this urgent?
Is this urgent?
Yes, I'd like to speak to Alex about his CRA account. It looks like he's been hacked and he needs to give us a call immediately and pay us $5,000 to unblock his account. I'm going to just mute this. So now obviously I know that this is a spammer or a scam caller, and what I can do now is rickroll them. So
never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna lie and hurt you.
So there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point they realize that I'm the one in power of this phone call and they're gonna hang up on me and never call me again. But at this point, what you can do is if you want to answer this call, you can of course just tap voice call to answer the call, and if you no longer want to keep this interaction going, you can just tap end call to end that call. So yeah, definitely a really cool feature. I'm so happy that Samsung implemented this. I really loved this feature on the Pixel 6 Pro. It's actually a really popular feature. I know a lot of people really like that screen call because you're no longer answering the phone call just to machines and spammers. You can screen call any call for any number that you're not familiar with and never have to deal with them again. But that's gonna do it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this feature and if you're using it or what kind of responses you've created. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for future videos to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.